Alright, today's the day we're going to be doing the unpermitted addition removal. So I got both my trucks and trailers. I'm going to have 2 people with me today. But this is the area. Alright, I'm up here pulling the roof off. It just kind of peels right off. And then my other guy's going to come over here. I'm going to take this section down, cut all this up, throw it in the trailer. I wish I could get the trailer up this close, but as close as I can get it, and I'm not walking on these tiles. I'm not trying to cause more problems. So get this roof off and then get this started going out. Then we'll start demoing the rest of the actual framing of the roof. And then we'll do the walls, and then we will start on this back deck. And then the concrete area, there's a concrete pad under here. There's a little concrete step right there we got to take out and clean up. That's it, really. All right, on top of the roof, ripping off the rest here. And we're going to start cutting up these walls. We're almost done. We just have a little bit more concrete to go, and we're gonna make some dump runs tomorrow. Make a dump run. This is the most I've ever filled this dump trailer. Thankfully, there was a bunch of plywood, so I could use them as sides. Oh. Concrete, loading it into the trailer. Sucks I couldn't bring my little mini skid or anything back here. There's no room. But we'll be done either tonight or early tomorrow morning. The addition's gone. And the deck is gone. Just gotta get all this concrete out of here.